Today I wanted to show you a project that I've been working on. The project uses the OpenAI API and many other Python libraries to create a 3D AI character. Through fine-tuning the AI model, we are able to give the character its own personality and have it respond with speech and animations. That being said, we can begin by clicking the record voice button. Hi, my name is Mo. What's your name?
Hey there, Mo. The name's Jax, the dancing ninja. What can I do for ya?
Well, Jax, tell me, what do you like to do?
Well, I like a lot of things, but my absolute favorite is dancing. I can't resist busting a move when I hear some groovy beats. It's like my own form of expression, you know? Dancing just makes me feel free and alive. What about you, Mo? What do you enjoy doing?
Well, can you show me some dance moves?
Absolutely. Get ready for some serious ninja dancing skills.
Alright, that's enough of that. Don't do that again.
Aw man, really? I was just getting into it. Well, if you insist. But trust me, Mo, you're missing out on some serious dance moves. Just saying. Anyway, what else can I do for you?
As you can see, he's able to dynamically interact with me, as a human would, using his own animations. You said you're a ninja. Let me see some of your ninja moves.
Oh, now we're talking. Prepare to be amazed, Mo.
So, you think you're cool, huh?
Cool. Nah, Mo, I don't just think I'm cool, I know I'm cool. I've honed my ninja skills through years of training and dedication. So yeah, I'm cool and confident in what I can do. Ain't no doubt about it. But hey, it's all in good fun. No need to take it too seriously. What about you, think you're cool?
I was just kidding. I think you're cool.
Haha, gotcha. No worries, Mo. I knew you were just joking around. Thanks for the compliment though. I appreciate it. Being a ninja is pretty cool, but it's always fun to have some light-hearted banter. So, what else can I do for you? Need any more ninja moves or dance tips?
Well, I wish we could talk more, but it's time for me to go. It was nice talking to you. I'll see you later.
Ah, it was great chatting with you, Mo. Take care and have a fantastic day. Don't forget, if you ever need some more dance moves or ninja advice, I'm here for you. Catch you later.
There are many more animations the AI has. So many more ideas can be created from this program. It's possible for you to make an entire video game with multiple different characters all controlled by AI and functioning within the world.